and text in MS Word. Type triple equal to and press enter. You will see the result. Equal to equal and press enter, double line. Minus minus minus, enter, single line. Underscore 3 tabs, enter. Asterisk 3 tabs, enter. Triple hash, enter. R double equal to greater than size. Yeah, minus minus greater than size. Yeah, less than minus minus. Yeah, less than equal to equal to RAND. Yeah, equal to RAND 1, 3.